Hello friends, you are on the Steel Flare Modeling channel. Today we will reinvent or rather make a model of a bicycle on a scale of 1 to 24 for my future diorama. This time I decided not to make a model from scratch, but to use a ready-made plastic kit from the Japanese company Fujimi. Personally, I was not familiar with this model manufacturer before and found it on the internet. If you have experience in assembling Fujimi models, write your opinion in the comments. Perhaps it will be useful for our viewers. From myself, I can say what the set is quite high quality. Instructions in Japanese and English. The service also made me happy. The seller even put a thank you card in the box. In addition to the bike model, there were also various garage tools in the kit. I will also use them in my diorama, but let's start with a bike. The first thing I decided to do was cut all the spokes and make them out of thin copper wire, as this will greatly improve the realism of a model. I started with the rear wheel and when I got to the front, I realized two important things in the process. Firstly, before cutting off the spokes, it is better to mark the points where the spokes will fit with a marker. This makes the job much easier. Secondly, it is important that the rim is permanently connected to the wheel hub and to the rest of the bike, as the thin copper wire does not have the required stiffness. In my case, I glued protective chain on the rear wheel and there was a fork on the front wheel. For realism, I also separated the frame from the fork to turn the front wheel and thus give some dynamics. Uncertain, the bicycle spokes turned out to be a chore and tedious job, but in the end it was worth it. I started painting by blowing out the rims, bushings and spokes with a silver spray. Then I painted the tires and the frame with a brush, added details like saddle and handles. In general, the model of a bicycle consists of 12 parts, and if I hadn't refined it, the assembly would have taken much less time. But our brother is not looking for easy ways, right, modelers? At the end I applied a wash and added rust. Well, our model is ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe it will inspire you to do something interesting too. Write in the comments. I thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.